So today I want to talk a little bit about journaling and setting intentions. And today I actually just finished writing my journal. So I finished the journal, which for me is very symbolic of one chapter ending and a new one beginning. So I'll be swapping over my journals. And what I wanted to share with you today is how I use my journal on a daily basis. And journaling in itself is very therapeutic. It really does help, really helps me anyway, to go deeper with my self-inquiry, with self-discovery and reflection. And I use my journal every morning to write 5 things that I'm grateful for and to set 5 intentions for that day. And sometimes if I'm being a little bit lazy, I will just verbalize my intentions in my gratitude list. But I do like to write it down just so that I can look over it over the weeks and look back on it in a few months ahead, so that I can see what I was feeling grateful for and what my intentions were at that time. So my gratitude list usually consists of just 5 things, although I am very grateful for a number of things. I try to focus on something different every day. And this really helps if you're having a difficult time, maybe you're feeling confused or having difficult experiences in one way or another in your life. And this just helps you to focus on the positive things that you do have in your life, and also can make you feel more aware, more mindful, and of course more grateful for all that you do have in your life. With the intentions, I try to set 3 to 5 for each day, but you can just start with 1. And these intentions are often something very small, not related to work. That's a completely different to-do list, different action plan. This intention list for my day is to make my day more mindful, more meaningful, for me to really be focused and aware. And as I say, it can be small things such as get myself on the mat if I'm not feeling so motivated to do my yoga practice, or to do something creative or playful during that day, or even just making my walk mindful, or where I'm not thinking about anything, I'm really focusing on the present moment. And those small intentions that I verbalize and I try to write down every morning are really like a written or verbal contract to my future self. So then by the end of the day, if I find that I haven't honored all of my intentions, I try to find that time to fit those intentions in. So if, for example, one of my intentions was to be creative, and I reflect back on my day and I realize I haven't done anything that's necessarily creative or what I feel to be creative, then I'll take 5 or 10 minutes before I go to bed just to do a mandala, or to write a poem, or even to be creative with a visualization before I go to bed. So for me, it really feels like a written contract to myself, and once I write those intentions down, I do always honor them. And my invitation to you is for the next 7 days, when you wake up, write 3 to 5 things that you're grateful for and 3 to 5 intentions for your day. And once you've done it for 7 days, just look back on how it's affected your day. Has it made a difference? How do you feel about it? And hop on over to our Facebook community and let us know how those 7 days of writing your gratitude list and of setting your intentions, how did it go for you? Did it shift anything? Did it change anything? Was it a positive experience? Just let our community know how it felt for you.